living life like a high life. Everything is just top notch. I can make it to the finish line completely effortless. I can see you on the seaside, straight back like a bright one. Let me know what you're thinking of when your eyes are closed. I need to find out what's hiding underneath, 'cause I got some questions that you got the answer to. Holes in your wall, so I know something's going on. So hear me say, your info is my power, baby. Only a matter of time before you're mine. To disturb you, got a flame that will burn you. Take your time and let it out. Speak up your mind. Know the truth can be hurtful. Take us down to the bottom. Don't ignore what's in front of you. I could be the one. Your lips are silent, but I hear you. 'Cause I got some questions that you got the answer to. Holes in your wall, so I know something's going on. So hear me say, your info is my power, baby. Only a matter of time before you're mine. I know people have tried, but none of them is like me, yeah. A fraction of time will never be enough to read your map. 'Cause I got some questions that you got the answer to. Holes in your walls.